Okay, 3.8. You should be gluing, or you should have glued this into your journal on the next blank page. So each shape is one whole. Shade 3/4 on each shape. Okay, so for fractions, this is fractions. The top number is the numerator. The bottom number is the denominator. Think den, okay, underneath, so the bottom, den, denominator. Okay, so 3/4. So this means this is the number of parts that are in each shape, and this is how many are actually shaded. So each one of these is split up into 4. So we have to color in 3. So 1, 2, 3. These are all 3/4. 3/4. 1, 2, 3/4. Okay. So the other part of that is fractions on a number line. Oh, I'm sorry, I just missed one. Okay, now into this number line, we know that there are 4 parts. So the same thing, this number line is divided into 4 parts per number. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this first fraction, so the bottom is how many it's split up into. So that's 4. And that's the first one. So that's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This is 4/4. Anytime the denominator or the numerator and denominator are the same number, it equals 1 whole. Okay. This is right here a proper fraction from these 3 numbers. It means that it is under 1 whole. We're going to learn about that more later. Okay, now we're going to look at these. These are also divided into 4 pieces per whole number. So this would be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. No, oh, sorry, 4/4. Now we can keep going. It's still fourths, but now it's 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. Okay. Now I want to split up this right here. So if I took this and I said, okay, this was 4. Now I'm going to make it 8. Now there's 8 pieces. So 3/4 was the first part. Now there's 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we didn't change the shading. So there's 8 parts on the bottom, but how many are colored in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8. That means these 2 fractions are equivalent. They are representing the same amount. We'll get into that later. Okay, go to 3.8 in your books. It says each large shape is 1 whole. Shade parts to show each fraction. Okay, so let's look at C. This is 4/10. This is tenths because there are 10 parts of this whole. You shade in 4 of them. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter which 4 you shade in as long as you shade in 4. Okay, now look at the number line. These are no more than a whole. So you have to count how many parts this whole is split up into. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the denominator will be 8. So which part on the number line is it? This is 1/8, 2, 3, 4/8, 5, 6, 7/8. Okay. Now find the other ones. Step ahead. Color the star to match these instructions. Color 1/3. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about step ahead.